What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching another video here on N54 or more. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your lower control arm bushings on the E46.
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, doing make a ride. Almost at the club.
Alright, so the reason why I'm changing the lower control arm bushings is because I've had a lot of shaking in the wheel, braking. Nothing seems to be like it's solid. When I did my struts, I found that the bushings were like really loose. I'm pretty sure they completely separated, but we're gonna find out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and break the torque on the wheels and then jack the car up, pull the wheels off, and then get ready to see what else I gotta do. Okay, we've got the wheels off, car jacked up, sitting on jack stands. Make sure to use your jack stands. So the first thing that has to be done, let me get down here. I don't know if you guys can really see, there it is. You see that this is back here. So in order to get this out, I'm gonna need to take down this. It's a whole bunch of 16s. You'll see the areas that you need to get into, like right here, here, and those over there. So 16 millimeters, I'm gonna drop this. Then I'm gonna be going up here for this nut right up here. And once I pull that nut, I'll pull this one, also right there. And then once I pull this one right here, I'll go ahead for those two. So let me go ahead and start getting this stuff out. All right, so like I said, this bolt right here is a 16 millimeter. Not 16, my bad. This is an 18 millimeter nut right there. I don't know if you can see it really well, but right there under that tag is a 21 millimeter. These down here are 16s, and then this right here is a 13 millimeter. I already did this side since this side was easier to do. Well, not easier, it was harder to do because all this stuff is up here in the way. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one off. I'll try to show as much as I can. Not really much to show, but use your wrenches and ratchet for the back here. So let me go ahead and pull these out. All right, so we've got the other one out now. You will definitely need a hammer and pry bar in order to pry on it while you're hitting it. You can hit about like right here on it and it'll drop out. I'd love to change this whole thing, but it was like extremely expensive for it, and I was just like, I only needed the bearing, the bushing I mean. So if you can see it right here, this is moving a lot, a whole lot was moving. I thought it was just literally just gonna fall out. It probably actually can come out, but it has that little bit of rubber still in it. So now I'm gonna attempt to try to get this back on, but I think I need to go to the hobby shop and use a press to press this back on. So let me go ahead and figure out what I'm gonna do with this, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I greatly overjudged how hard it would be or how easy it would be to put these on. Literally all I did was put some grease on there and just push down and it slid right over. I thought it was gonna be like a whole pressing situation and everything like that, but no, it's on there now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in. I'm gonna use the jack to press on these areas, like right here. Press upwards so that it lodges in there, and then I can start tightening the nuts on them, and then just tighten back up. Man, this was a lot easier than I thought. So I don't gotta bore you guys, but I'll show you guys how it looks when it's done. Okay, so we've got one done, one side done. Remember, 18 millimeter. You put the jack right on this portion here to press it up into the spindle, and then you tighten that down. Same thing, jack right here. Press it up, tighten down that 21 millimeter up there, and then you put these in, catch these first, and then tighten everything up. Once you put those in, you can easily just maneuver it, tighten up the first one a little bit, and then maneuver it in order to tighten it up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. Let me move this, see if it'll focus better. Whatever, looks like, all right. go ahead and put this one together, and then I should be done. And then drop everything down. Oh yeah, and don't forget on this side to tighten up your 13mm for the wheel, the ride height sensor. Okay, this side is done also. Same thing. Jack on the bottom of the lower control arm. Jack right here on the lower part of it. Tighten it up. Those look good. Those look really good. All solid and everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put back on this undercarriage that protects the oil pan. And yeah, there's a lot of oil down there, but whatever. That's not what we're here for. So let me go ahead and do that. Show you guys what that looks like after it's done. Tightened it up. Remember, they're 16mm. And then I will put the wheel back on, drop it down, and we will be done here. Okay, undercarriage is back on. That middle piece has always been missing since I got the car, but whatever. So that's back on. 16mm once again. Tighten them up. I don't need them too tight. But now I'm going to go ahead and put the wheels back on. Drop it down. And then we'll be done. I'll go for a little drive and see how it feels. Okay, we are all done. Drop down, tighten up the wheels. Don't forget to do that. I would be finished working on the car now, but I found this in my rear tire. It was really flat, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to fix this now, and then I will be done. All right, YouTube, that's gonna be the end of this video. Obviously it was under the car. I'm in the garage, you can't really see a lot. Tried my best to explain everything, but that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it helped someone. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications, and hit that share button. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.